It's 3 in the morning, you're lying awake again, staring at the ceiling, replaying every money worry you've been avoiding. What if my car breaks down? What if I lose my job? What if I get hit with another bill I wasn't expecting? Your brain keeps spinning, your stomach tightens, and deep down, you already know the answer. You don't have the savings to handle it. If this feels familiar, you're not alone. Millions of people feel this exact pressure every single day, but what matters most is this: you can change it, and you can change it faster than you think. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to save your first $10,000 in 2026, even if you're starting from zero, even if your income isn't high, and even if saving money has always felt impossible. This is the plan real people use. It's simple, it's realistic, and it works. Let's start with why this goal matters so much. $10,000 is more than a financial goal. It's a turning point in your life. Most emergencies cost less than $10,000. A car repair, a medical bill, a broken appliance, a flight home, a sudden move, unexpected things that can knock you off your feet overnight. With no savings, these moments feel like disasters. With 10,000 saved, they become inconveniences. And that difference changes everything. But the financial benefit is only half the story. What really transforms you is the psychological shift. When you have 10,000 saved, you stop making decisions out of fear. You stop panicking over every bill. You stop saying, I hope I make it to next payday. Instead, you start feeling steady, grounded, capable. Your self-confidence grows because you finally have your own back. And there's something else. Once you save your first 10,000, saving the next 10 becomes much easier. You already proven to yourself that you can do it. This is why we begin here. Not with investments, not with complicated strategies, just a solid, dependable savings foundation. So let's break down the $10,000 goal into manageable goals. $10,000 sounds huge when you say it out loud, but once you break it down, it becomes manageable and surprisingly realistic. Here are 3 timeline options you can choose from. If you want to save $10,000 in 12 months, this means you will need to save $833 per month, or $192 per week, or $27.40 per day. $27 is one takeout meal, one impulse purchase you skip, one coffee made at home instead of on the go. Or if 12 months is too difficult and you refer 18 months, that means $556 per month, or $128 per week, or $18.26 per day. That's the cost of 2 fancy coffees, or one delivery meal you replace with a homemade lunch. Or even less aggressive is if you choose 24 months. That translates to $417 per month, or $96 per week, or $13.70 per day. That's less than $14 a day. Most people accidentally spend that without noticing. These small daily numbers are where your savings actually grow. You don't save 10,000 at once. You save it through tiny decisions repeated over time. The real power of this breakdown is that it makes the goal feel possible. And once you believe something is possible, you're far more likely to achieve it. So how do you know what timeline to choose? Your timeline should match your life, not someone else's. Here's how to choose the right path for you. The 12-month plan is for people who want fast results. Your income is steady, your expenses are manageable, and you're ready to focus intensely on one financial goal. The 18-month plan is the most balanced. You'll make consistent progress without feeling restricted. It's ideal if you're paying off debt or you want to save without sacrificing your quality of life. The 24-month plan is for anyone starting from scratch, dealing with tight finances, raising children, or managing an irregular income. It's gentle, it's flexible, and it builds your savings habit in a way you can maintain long term. There is no shame in choosing the longer plan. Consistency over 24 months will always beat quitting after 3 months on the intense plan. And remember, your timeline can adjust. If you get a raise or start a side hustle, you can speed up. If life gets difficult, you can slow down. Your timeline is a tool, not a rule. The most important thing is to get started immediately. So here are 10 ways to reach this goal in 2026. Number 1, automate your savings. Automation is the secret to saving money without relying on willpower. Set up automatic transfers every payday so the money moves before you can spend it. If you normally see money in your account and think, I'll save whatever's left at the end of the month, you already know that method doesn't work. Save first, spend what's left, not the other way around. Even $10 a day adds up to more than $3,000 a year. Number 2, cut 2 or 3 recurring expenses. Most people forget how many subscriptions they're paying for: streaming services, apps, memberships, unused gym passes, software trials you forgot to cancel. Canceling just 2 or 3 small expenses can free up hundreds of dollars a year. Some people save over $1,000 a year just by cleaning up their automatic payments. Number 3, create a weekly $50 impulse limit. Impulsive spending drains more savings than people realize. A coffee here, a snack there, a little online shopping while you're bored. Instead of eliminating all fun, give yourself a weekly limit: $50. Cash or prepaid card only. This small boundary prevents tiny expenses from silently stealing your savings. Number 4, eat at home. 3 extra days a week. This one step alone can transform your budget. Eating out costs 3 to 4 times more than cooking the same meal at home. Replacing even 3 takeout meals per week can save over $1,500 a year. Some people save closer to $3,000. This isn't about never eating out. It's about choosing when it matters instead of defaulting to convenience. Number 5, use the 24-hour rule. Before buying anything you don't absolutely need, wait one day. Don't eliminate the desire. Just pause it. Half of your "I need this right now" urges will disappear. This single habit has prevented thousands of dollars of unnecessary purchases for many people. Number 6, sell unused items. Most homes are filled with items that could be sold. Clothes you don't wear, electronics you don't use, small appliances, old decor, extra tools, even unopened gifts. Doing a quarterly sell-off can bring in hundreds of dollars, sometimes more. It's like finding money you forgot existed. Number 7, renegotiate your bills. Bills are not as fixed as they seem. Internet companies, phone carriers, insurance providers, they all have retention discounts. A 5-minute call can save you $10 to $50 per month. That's hundreds per year. And you don't have to change anything about your lifestyle. Number 8, pick one small side hustle. You don't need a second job, just one small, flexible source of income. Dog sitting, tutoring, delivery apps, seasonal retail, selling digital products, freelance work. Even $100 a week is over $5,000 a year. It's a game changer. Number 9, use sinking funds. Sinking funds prevent financial surprises from wiping out your savings. Set aside small amounts each month for predictable expenses like car repairs, gifts, holidays, travel, medical costs, subscriptions. When the expense comes, you're ready for it. Your emergency fund stays untouched. Number 10, funnel all unexpected money into savings. Tax refunds, bonuses, cash gifts, rebates, side gig payments, extra income you weren't counting on. Most people receive at least $500 to $3,000 of found money every year. Instead of spending it immediately, send it directly to savings. This one habit accelerates your progress more than almost anything else. So here's the full 2026 savings plan, step by step. 1, choose your savings timeline. 2, open a high-yield savings account. 3, set your automatic transfers. 4, cut a few unnecessary expenses. 5, track your spending for 30 days to find hidden leaks. 6, add one small side income stream. 7, save every bit of unexpected income. 8, review your progress monthly. 9, adjust your savings amount as life changes. 10, celebrate every milestone until you reach 10,000. Pause the video here and write these 10 steps down. If you commit hard to 2 or 3 of these, I guarantee you will find success. My final message to you is that saving $10,000 isn't about being perfect. It's about being consistent. It's about believing that you can build the safety net you deserve. It's about creating the kind of financial peace that helps you sleep at night. You can start today. You don't have to do it all at once. You just have to begin. If you're ready to save $10,000 in 2026, say it out loud or comment below. I'm saving $10,000 this year.